Hello, artists, and welcome to Square One Art. Square One Art is a fundraiser, which is a way to raise money. We're raising money for the PTA so that they can do special things like field trips and other fun celebrations like movie nights. We're going to raise money by creating artwork that then is sent to a company called Square One, and they put your artwork into a catalog to show your families all the different things they could buy with your art on it. And then your family can choose to buy something with your art on it, like a mug or a bag. Friends, we are starting our Square One art project. We're going to keep all of our art inside this white square. Okay, artists, with a black Sharpie, we're going to create a frame around the edge of the border, leaving a little space between your line and the edge of the paper. Your line doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Inside the frame, you're going to write your name so that it's readable. With the same black Sharpie, you're going to draw 3 or 4 lines, splitting up your space into new shapes. Draw a little line around your name, then you're going to pick 3 or 4 shapes to draw. So 3 or 4 lines, then 3 or 4 shapes inside this white square. After you're done with that, you are going to start tracing around all of your lines to create a pattern. You'll continue to use a black Sharpie for this part. Trace around your shapes, going around them, creating new shapes that you trace. You can see how my lines are all parallel and that I fill in all of the space by creating all of these lines. Now I'm going to pick 5 or 6 colored Sharpies. I'm going to use these colors to create patterns around this picture, making sure that I spread out the colors. I don't do the same color next to each other, filling in the space. Some of my areas can be color that's filling in the lines. Other places I could make like a pattern with like white and color, white and color. Other spaces like this green line, I can create little lines inside. You want to alternate what you're doing. Some areas have solid color, some areas have patterns with lines, and then you want to fill all of these lines in, maybe leaving 1 or 2 areas with white lines. When you're coloring, just make sure not to cover your name. Great job, artists.